Hi, in this video, we will be discussing median for group data. In my previous video, I have already discussed the mean median mode for ungrouped data and mean for group data. We will now begin to discuss the median for group data. First, we need to familiarize ourselves with the formula for median. Median, or represented by capital letter M, small letter d, or MD, is equals to N, that is for the sample size, because we use small letter n, divided by 2 minus CF, or what we call cumulative frequency, divided by F, that is frequency, times class width, represented by W, plus LMD, or the lower limit for the median class, where N is a sum of frequency, CF, cumulative frequency of the class preceding before the median class. F stands for frequency of the median class. W stands with class width, and LMD for the lower limit of the median class. I have here an example data. And I have also here the steps on how to solve for the median for group data. Here is an example of classes. And here is an example of the frequency. I have already solved for the cumulative frequency by first copying the 8 plus 11, that is 19, plus 27, that is 46, plus 17, that is 63, plus 10, that is 73, plus 7, that is 80, and 80 is our total sample size. Now, let's proceed on finding those values. First, we need to find for the N. And it is already been solved. N is 80. CF, cumulative frequency of the class preceding or before the median class. Now, how to determine for the median class? First, we will make a table of cumulative frequency, in which in this data I have already made this one. Next, divide N, which is 80, number of frequency by 2 to get the halfway point. Since median is focused on the centeredmost data, we need to find the value which is on the center. So 80 divided by 2 is 40. Now, we need to locate the median class in the cumulative frequency. So, we need to find value from the cumulative frequency which is closest to 40. And what value is that? You're correct. That is 46. And therefore, our median class will be assigned on this particular line. We will use this as our median class. Next, we have already found the median class. We have now found the median class. So therefore, CF is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding or before the median class. So we will find the value under the cumulative frequency, which is before the median class. Remember, this is our median class. So what particular cumulative frequency value is before the median class? You're correct. That is 19. So we have the value for the CF, which is 19. Now, for the frequency or the F, the value for the median class is 27. And the class width is, how to get the class width? Simply subtract the lower limit of the first class and the lower limit of the second class, which is, our class width is 11. And for our LMD, or the lower limit of the median class, we have the value of 75 because it is the lower limit. We cannot choose the value of 85 because according to the definition, LMD is equals to the lower limit of the median class. So here is our median class and we need to find the lower limit. Here is the lower limit and here is the upper limit. So all we have to do is to take the lower limit, which has the value of 75. Now, we can substitute the values on this formula. N, which is 80, divided by 2 is 40. Minus CF is 19. Divided by F, that is 27. Times with which has the value of 11. And our lower MD is 75. So we can have now the value 40 minus 19 is equals to 21. 21 divided by 27. And we have to copy paste 11 plus 75. Next, we need to find 21 divided by 27, that is 0.77. Round up 4 decimal. Next, times 11 plus 75. Now, we need to multiply 0.7778 to 11. So the value will be 8.5558 plus 75. So our median class would be 83.552. Excel will automatically compute for this operation. So our value for our median is 83.556. That is so simple to get the median for group data. So on the next video, I will be discussing the mode for group data. See you soon!